Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robots for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the RoyalPrince Scalper EA for MT5. This is an advanced scalping system with time and news filters. So let's look at the claims and what you need to know. Alright, so from the MKL5 page, you can see that's the EA RoyalPrince Scalper goes for 97 US dollars and is positioned as the advanced version of the developer's Scalper robot. Right, so it includes advanced time filter settings, a news filter, equity protection, and margin protection. The EA is designed to work best on low spread pairs with low slippage and is recommended for the M5 to M15 timeframes. Alright, so the default settings have been optimized for USD JPY on the M15 timeframe over a specific historical period. The developer stresses that the EA should be optimized for your own broker because it requires low latency, tight spreads, and minimal slippage to perform properly. A live signal is available on MQL5 for reference, as you can see here. The Pro version supports both fixed lots and risk per trade modes, along with the time and news filters. So the key features include fixed lots or risk per trade sizing, time filter for session control, news filter to avoid high impact events, equity protection, margin protection, and optimization for low spread environments. It is positioned as a more controlled scalper than basic versions, with protective mechanisms to limit damage during adverse conditions. Users are expected to fine-tune settings for their specific broker conditions. Right, so we have some screenshots here from the developer. You can see doing his test on USD JPY from February 2023 to April 2024. You can see for an initial deposit of $1,000, there was a total net profit of $881, a profit factor of 1.82, and a balance drawdown of just 5.13%. Okay, you can see how the equity curve looks down here, how it grinds steadily upwards over time, even with the brief periods of volatility or drawdowns. The movement still looks a bit steady and it moves sharply to the upside. Right, so that's basically the screenshot we have to go off on. I tried putting it through my own personal backtest, but unfortunately, it didn't come up on my MT4 marketplace. So we just have what's on the developer side to go on. But as always, it's always important to take what the developer presents with a pinch of salt. Scalping on M5 and M15 is highly sensitive to trading costs. Even small differences in spread or slippage can turn a profitable edge into a losing one. The addition of time and news filters is a practical improvement because it helps the EA avoid the most dangerous periods. Equity and margin protection features are useful safeguards, especially for scalpers that can open multiple positions or face rapid adverse moves. However, the need for broker-specific optimization means results can vary widely between accounts and platforms. In practice, the equity curve of well-filtered scalpers can look steady when conditions are ideal and more choppy when spreads widen or latency increases. The live signal can give an indication of current behavior, but it is still subject to the same broker and market variables. Honestly, the features that matter most are the news and time filters, conservative risk settings, and using a true low spread, low latency broker with a VPS. The protective mechanisms help, but they cannot overcome poor execution conditions. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, scalping performance is extremely broker dependent. Optimization for one broker may not transfer to another. News filters reduce but do not eliminate risks around events. In practice, thoroughly test your own broker with realistic spreads and latency. Start with very small risks and monitor closely. Note that the MKO5 product page currently indicates the author has been debarred from selling products. This is something potential users should verify and consider. Past results never guarantee future performance. So, what is this actually for, and we should avoid it? This use experienced scalpers who already have a quality low spread broker and VPS and are willing to optimize and monitor the system carefully. Avoid if you use the high spread broker, have high latency, are a beginner, or prefer lower frequency systems that are less sensitive to execution quality. Overall, RoyalPrince Scalper EA adds useful time, news, equity, and margin protections to a scalping approach. Its success still depends heavily on broker conditions and proper optimization. Thorough testing your own setup is essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest CA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.